So, I fucked up. I finally sold the Titans Return Galvatron that I've been relisting over and over and over on eBay. And I was so excited that it finally sold at a loss, because it sold for 15 bucks. Plus shipping, and so from the buyer's point of view, he paid for a decent custom. From my point of view, what the percentages that eBay takes out of the final sale and all that stuff. But oh well, I'm finally happy to get rid of that thing. And I didn't ship the Headmaster, and I don't know what happened to it. I should have checked. I was so excited. I packed it up very quickly. Didn't even notice that it wasn't on there. Thankfully, the buyer is very patient. I searched for it, could not find it. I think the carpet monster ate it up, or maybe it fell and the cats batted it under or something. I don't know. I'm still going to look for it. I promised that if I ever find it, I would ship it to him. But he was graceful enough to accept the custom 3D printed head that I originally put on him. But no one was buying it, so I put the Titans Return Headmaster back on. So. But since I did the panel lining on the Galvatron, I thought I would go ahead and give this head the panel lining too, so that it can match the figure. I'll do this in real time. And I'll do the back here. I'm always looking for whatever lines I can get to. Try to stay on camera. But yeah, man, shoot. I have like about 650 positive feedbacks on my eBay. I'm proud of that. No negative feedbacks. I've had a couple of neutral feedbacks from a couple of assholes. One guy, he gave me a neutral feedback on an old Ninja Turtles figure that I've had since childhood. I already forgot which one it was, but it was one of the ones where the turtles are wearing like sports gear. I don't know if it was a basketball or a boxer one. I don't remember. And the guy wrote a neutral feedback because it was weathered. Dude, the thing survived the 80s. Of course it's going to be weathered. It's been played with. But my mistake was I had it listed as new, even though the pictures clearly shown it was weathered. So at least it wasn't negative feedback, but the guy was petty as hell. Then the most recent one was, I painted a regular tiger into Cringer, so he can go with the Masters of the Universe Origins, Prince Adam. Looks good. Sold it I even posted a picture, a side-by-side picture of what Cringer would look like next to Prince Adam, an Origins Prince Adam. I even said that thing is about 3 by 2 inches. The guy complained and said it was too small. Like, dude, I clearly said what the size of the thing was. And there's a picture. So now I don't know what it is with this wash. I always shake it before I use it, but sometimes it's really runny and other times it's not. But yeah, man, I felt bad. Another reason I hate Headmasters. You can lose those pieces. And clearly I did. And I know I'm going to find that when I'm not looking for it. When I do, I'll ship it to the guy. And it would have been the second time I lost a Headmaster figure. I lost a Titan's Return Megatron Headmaster while I was in the middle of customizing the figure I wanted to use. So now that figure has no head. All I need to do is find that Megatron. It looks alright. I don't think I should do the face. Just the head and the collar piece. Do this piece. It's subtle, but if I still had that Galvatron, it would look good. You know, I see one more piece I can add it to. There you go. There he is. Look at him. He's smiling. So that took about 10 minutes just to do this little thing. I definitely want to try some panel lining on some other figures I have. So anyway, there he is. A little strange impromptu video with some panel lining. Thanks for watching.